Have you ever wondered how we actually figured out the temperature of the sun, or even the planets, when we can't exactly stick a thermometer up there? Well, let me take you on a quick trip through one of science's coolest detective stories. Back in the 1800s, scientists stared at the sun and thought, okay, it's hot. But exactly how hot? Here's where it gets clever. They realized that sunlight isn't just light, it's also energy. And if you measure how much energy hits Earth from the sun, you can actually back-calculate how hot the sun must be. Enter the bolometer, basically a super-sensitive thermometer that measures tiny changes in temperature. In 1878, Samuel Langley invented it and used it to gauge the sun's energy. But even before that, astronomer Joseph Stefan came up with a formula, the Stefan-Boltzmann law, which links the energy radiated by an object to its temperature. So, by measuring the sun's brightness and knowing its distance from Earth, scientists could finally estimate its surface temperature, about 5,500 degrees Celsius, give or take. Not bad for a planet full of amateurs with early telescopes, right? Now, what about the planets themselves? Unlike the sun, planets don't emit their own light. They mostly reflect sunlight. But they do give off a faint heat glow, especially in the infrared, which you can't see with your eyes. Modern astronomers use infrared telescopes and satellites to measure this glow. By analyzing the intensity and wavelength of this heat, they can calculate a planet's temperature with surprising accuracy. Take Venus, for example. For a long time, people thought it might be a tropical paradise under those clouds. But when scientists pointed their infrared detectors at it, they were shocked. Venus was hotter than Mercury, over 450 degrees Celsius. Turns out, all those thick clouds trap heat like a greenhouse on steroids. And it's not just about numbers. Measuring temperatures this way helps us understand atmospheres, climates, and even search for life elsewhere. It's like having a cosmic thermometer, and all you need is some clever physics, a dash of math, and a whole lot of curiosity. So, next time you feel the sun's warmth, remember, behind that simple sensation is a story of ingenuity, patience, and a burning desire to understand the universe. Science, it's hotter than you think.